Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. My name is Faiza Javed and I'm from Army Public Junior School, Multan, Kent. This is week 9 assignment of subject science planned for level 4. Students, look here in this picture. This picture is taken from your textbook page number 59. These are the two smart characters, Ari and Tom. What is Ari saying to Tom? Ari is saying, "Oh no, what has happened to the popsicles we bought for everyone?" Do you know what has happened to the popsicles? Yes, the popsicles have been melted due to heat gain. Now look at this picture. Who is this? Yes, this is Smarty. And what is he saying? He's saying, "No problem. You can keep them in my freezer. They will return to their original form after a while." Now, how can Smarty return them to their original form? Yes, Smarty can return them to their original form by decreasing their temperature. This is the start of our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, States of Matter, Melting and Freezing. And the topic of today's lesson is what happens when materials are heated or cooled. The objective of today's class is that at the end of the class, students will be able to describe the change in solids and liquids. Students, here you can see there is a collection of few words that we are going to use further in this chapter. The words are materials, state, freezing, permanent, temporary, melting, changes, freezing point, melting point, original, heating, liquids, substance, matter, and expansion. Look here, students. Here is a web showing all the topics that we are going to learn in this chapter. We have already discussed that there are different types of materials around us, and materials can undergo changes in their state. The changes can be temporary or they can be permanent. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and that takes up or covers some space. Look here in this picture. You can see 3 states of matter: gas, liquid, and solid. In gas, you can see the particles are far apart from each other. They have got no definite shape and no definite volume. Whereas liquid has got a definite volume but no definite shape. On the other hand, solid has got a definite shape and a definite volume, and the particles are so closely packed. Let's take an example of water and we will discuss the 3 states through this example. In solid state, liquid water is called as ice. And when this liquid water is converted into gaseous state, it is called as steam. Look here in this picture. What is going on here? Yes, there is a solid piece of ice which is converted into liquid water upon melting, and this liquid water again on freezing is converted into solid piece of ice. It means that one state can be converted into another state upon heating or upon cooling. This is our today's topic, that is what happens when materials are heated or cooled. We are going to discuss this topic through different examples. Look at this picture. What is going on here, students? Yes, a paper is burning. What is the result of burning of a piece of paper? A paper on heating will turn into ash. Let's take another example. What is this? Yes, it's a chocolate bar. What is going on here? A chocolate bar, upon heating, is converted into chocolate paste. Solid state, on gaining heat, is converted into liquid state. Now look at this picture. What is happening here? Yes, water on cooling is converted into ice. It means that liquid state on cooling can be converted into solid state. Look at this example. What is this? It's a burnt piece of cloth. What has happened here? A cloth on heating is converted into ash. Let's take another example. Look at this picture. An ice cream is melting. And what is the result of this melting of ice cream? Ice cream on gaining heat is converted into milkshake. Semi-solid upon heating converted into liquid. On the other hand, what is going on here? Yes, juice on cooling will be converted into popsicles. Let's take another example. What is this? It's a piece of wood. And what is going on here? Wood upon heating is converted into coal. So these are the different examples. Now let's have a quick recap of today's lesson. In today's lesson, we learned about matter. Then we discussed effects of heat gain and effects of heat loss. Coming towards the next part of my presentation, that is assignment for week number 9. In this week, we are going to do reading of page number 59 to 61. Then I'm going to share some vocabulary words with you, and you are going to write those vocabulary words on loose sheets. Then we are going to discuss some written work, and you are going to attempt that written question answers on loose sheets. And at the end, I'm going to share a video link with you. Students, coming towards vocabulary words, as I have already told you, you are going to attempt these words on loose sheets, and you are going to write the meaning of these words taken from the dictionary. The first word is original. Original. The second word, materials. Heating, cooling, turns, and state. Coming towards written work, students, you're going to attempt these questions on loose sheets. Question number 1 is, what happens to a paper when it is burned? I've already discussed this question in the lesson. What happens to a paper when it is burned? Question number 2 is, what happens when water is cooled? Coming towards the video link, here is a link I am sharing with you. You must watch this video. This will help you in gaining knowledge about today's topic. This is the end of my presentation. I hope this presentation will help you in understanding of this topic and completion of your written assignment. Thank you.